Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Minecraft Java Edition on your Android device, the only way currently possible. We will explore the specialized application that makes this incredible feat achievable. You will learn the steps to set up your game, from installation to optimization, ensuring you can enjoy the full Java experience on the go. Get ready to transform your mobile device into a portable Minecraft world. To begin, you will need to download a specialized launcher application. This unique tool acts as a bridge, allowing your Android device to run the Java version of Minecraft. Make sure your device has at least 2 GB of RAM for a smoother experience. After installation, grant the necessary permissions, such as storage access, so the application can function correctly and save your game data. Once the launcher is installed, the next step is to set up your Minecraft account. You will log in using your existing official Minecraft Java Edition credentials. After logging in, you can select your desired game version, whether it is an older release or the very latest. Take a moment to adjust the graphics and control settings within the launcher to best suit your mobile device and personal preferences. To truly enhance your mobile gameplay, consider a few optimizations. You can use the built-in touch controls, which are highly customizable, or connect an external Bluetooth controller for a more traditional experience. For even smoother performance, explore installing lightweight, performance-enhancing mods. Finally, dive into the vast world of multiplayer by connecting to various servers and playing alongside your friends, all from your Android device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.